Hi and welcome to the next part of the tubing mould project, which is from the mould video. This will be part 3. Just going to turn it down now to a pen. This will be a really quick video. It's going to be just all time lapses. There's no point doing anything else about it because you don't want to see me slowly turning and polishing this. I just want to say that what I'll do is I'll turn it down obviously to the tube sizes and sand up to 400. I'll then use Yorkshire Grit Original and then Yorkshire Grit Microfine, and then the last little thing that I'll do is just pop it on a buffing wheel and just give it its shine. Be all in time lapse anyway, and I hope you enjoy.
The ships must go together.